When considering property management software, AppRent is one of the most talked about options. But is it the right choice for you? Here are 12 key things you need to know before making your purchase decision. First off, AppRent offers a comprehensive suite of tools for property managers, including rent tracking, maintenance requests, and financial reporting. However, compared to other platforms like Buildium or AppFolio, it tends to have fewer integrations with third-party services, which could limit your flexibility if you rely on specific tools. The second thing to consider is the user interface. While AppRent's dashboard is clean and relatively easy to navigate, it isn't as intuitive as some of its competitors. Platforms like Rentec Direct or Propertyware offer a more polished and user-friendly experience, especially for users who aren't as tech-savvy. The third thing to note is pricing. AppRent's pricing model is competitive, but it's not the cheapest option available. You may find more cost-effective alternatives like Tenant Cloud, especially if you're managing a smaller portfolio. Next, AppRent does provide mobile apps for both iOS and Android, which is essential for property managers on the go. But when compared to competitors like Yardi, the app's functionality feels limited, particularly in terms of real-time updates and customer support. Another important point is customization. AppRent offers a decent amount of customization options for your property listings and reports, but it falls short when compared to something like Rentec Direct, which offers much more flexibility for tailoring the software to your specific needs. The sixth thing to keep in mind is tenant communication. AppRent does provide messaging features, but it lacks advanced automation options. Solutions like AppFolio shine here, with built-in communication tools that allow for text messaging, email, and automated reminders without needing third-party integrations. Moving on to financial reporting, AppRent delivers basic functionality. However, its reporting features aren't as robust as competitors like Buildium, which allow for deeper insights into income, expenses, and tax filing. The eighth point is customer support. AppRent offers customer support via email and phone, but many users have reported slower response times. In contrast, platforms like Yardi provide 24/7 support with a more extensive knowledge base, which could be a deal breaker if you need immediate help. Next thing to consider is AppRent's scalability. It's great for small to medium-sized property management companies, but may not be the best choice for large firms with hundreds of units. If you're managing a larger portfolio, consider options like AppFolio or Propertyware, which offer more enterprise-level tools. Another point is the automation features. While AppRent has some automation for rent reminders and late fees, it doesn't compare to the full range of automated features found in other software, like in Buildium, which offers automatic lease renewals and payment reminders. The 11th thing to note is security. AppRent offers standard security features, such as two-factor authentication, but it's not as secure as some of its competitors. Companies like Yardi and AppFolio offer more advanced security measures, including detailed audit trails and user role management. Finally, AppRent's overall reputation is generally positive, though it's not without its flaws. Many users appreciate the software's ease of use, but they also mention areas where it lags behind competitors in terms of advanced features. So, is AppRent the right choice for you? It's a solid option for small to medium-sized property managers, offering basic features at a competitive price. However, if you're looking for more advanced automation, integrations, or customer support, you might want to explore other options. If you want a better solution, check out our recommended software, which you can try for free and see if it fits your needs better than AppRent.